Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Here's another healthy drink for this summer. Just believe me, it is so tasty, so refreshing, and that's coconut mint cooler. Ingredients required for this recipe are tender coconut water, mint leaves, lemon juice, and honey. Method: first pour coconut water into a glass, add lemon juice, add honey. Now add mint leaves. Mix it well. And here's easy to prepare coconut mint coolers ready. Coconut water is rich in potassium and hence keeps kidneys healthy. It acts as a diuretic where it helps in flushing out extra water out of the body and prevents kidney stones. People with high levels of potassium should avoid coconut water. Rest all of you, keep the portion under control. Try it and enjoy it. Like, share and subscribe Apoorva Dietitian channel in YouTube. I'll come with another interesting topic next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.